before Santa Claus got there, she hid her little tidy-whitey butt behind the couch. Well, Santa Claus is coming. He comes down her chimney. And when he bends over to put presents under the tree, Paris, she jumps out from behind the couch. And Santa Claus goes, "What the snowball?" And Paris Hilton pulled down the top of her shirt. He said, "Santa, what do you think about these?" And Santa Claus says, "Ho, ho, ho. Gotta go. There's good little girls on the list, don't you know?" So Paris, she turned around. So Paris Hilton, she turned around and showed her ass and pulled down her sweats, letting her ass hang out. And she asked him, "Santa, what do you think about this?" And Santa Claus said, "Ho, ho, ho. I gotta go. There's good little girls and boys on the list, don't you know?" Paris Hilton saw she was getting nowhere. So she turned around, pulled down the front of her tights, and flashed her pussy. And said, and asked, "Hey Santa, what do you think about this?" And Santa said, "Ho, ho, hey, gotta stay. Can't go nowhere with my dick this way." Yep. That's the reason why half the children around the world never got any Christmas presents. Because Paris Hilton seduced Santa Claus. Yep.